Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to be discussing which bank is better, NatWest versus Barclays. So we're going to be thoroughly comparing Barclays versus NatWest for business banking. We'll take a look at the key pros and cons of each bank, their features and offerings, fees, customer service, reputation, and more. So hopefully by the end of this video, you'll have a much better understanding of which bank is the best fit for your company's financial needs so that you can make an informed decision. Let's dive right in. Barclays and NatWest are two of the best leading banks for business banking in the UK, both offering a wide range of services catering to startups, small businesses, and large corporations. Choosing between the two can be difficult given the breadth of their capabilities. First up, we have Barclays' key advantages. It has a strong digital platform as Barclays offers an unclaimed mobile banking app and online platform with robust tools for managing finances. You'll be equipped with features such as custom reports, charts, and insights. Also, we have an extensive global services as for businesses needing to make international transactions. Barclays provides banking capabilities across more than 40 countries worldwide, which is ideal for exporters. We have the innovative products as Barclays frequently invests in new solutions like their Smart Business Dashboard, which integrates financial data with sales, marketing, and operations metrics for a unified view. And finally, we're going to be talking about the widespread local branches. With over 1,500 branches across the UK, Barclays offers convenience through their expansive local presence nationwide. In terms of downsides, we have the perceived high fees, as some business owners view Barclays account fees and transaction charges as higher than the competitors. You might also be faced with inconsistent service, as there has been some complaints of delays responding to service requests and inquiries, and wait times can also vary. Looking at NatWest, their notable strengths include free banking for startups. NatWest offers an appealing incentive of free business banking for the first 12 to 18 months for newly formed companies. This assists with upfront costs. You also have the excellent customer service, as NatWest is renowned for providing exceptional customer support, including UK-based call centers available 24/7. Their service quality is regarded very highly. Diverse products is another great advantage. From traditional accounts to sector-specific offering, NatWest provides a vast range of business banking solutions tailored to different industries and needs. And finally, we want to talk about the entrepreneurial network. NatWest's Accelerator program hosts mentorship hubs across the UK, providing guidance, resources, and networking for startups and scale-ups. Some potential downsides of NatWest is the limited global reach. Compared to Barclays, NatWest has a smaller international banking footprint for companies requiring this capability. Additionally, we have the clunky online platform, as some users report NatWest's online and mobile banking interfaces are not as user-friendly or intuitive as other banks. Let's head back to Barclays a little. Some ways that Barclays differentiates itself in the market with some distinctive features is first of all the cutting-edge digital platform, as Barclays mobile app and online banking dashboard raise the bar for usability and business insights. The technology is top-notch. Second, we have the Smart Business Dashboard, as this unique analytical tool integrates financial data with sales, marketing, and operational metrics for an amazing kind of business view that fosters growth. As for some aspects that set NatWest apart is the free banking for startups, as mentioned before. NatWest provides free business banking for the first 12 to 18 months, helping entrepreneurs minimize expenses in the critical early stages. And secondly, we have through their Accelerator program, NatWest delivers mentoring, resources, and networking for startups and even scale-ups across the UK looking to take their business to the next level. So evaluate your business priorities and needs to decide if Barclays or NatWest is a better match. Both of them can meet most companies' core banking requirements, but the differentiators lie in digital experience, startup perks, customer service, and fees. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that this kind of comparison helps provide clarity so that you can select the ideal business banking provider for your company's unique needs and position. Let me know if you have any other questions, and if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can create related to this one.